Alright guys, today we're doing a little scouting. It's rifle season 2, so I have my bow with me. We're trying to find a deer and slash duck and goose scouting. So we just picked up a field. We're guessing, we saw 3,000 to 4,000 hitting it, and there's probably 4,000 ducks in this pond right here too, and they're headed towards her. So we should be an incredible shoot tomorrow. I'm talking like 8,000 birds maybe in this area for ducks. Not many geese around, but probably the craziest duck shoot we've ever been on. Gonna get some guys out, go smoking. I'm gonna drive around for a while trying to find a field. It's warmed up here the last couple days, and I think it's really just kind of kept the birds here. It's kind of melted the ponds off, so they're kind of sticking around, moving back to our part of the valley. So it's gonna be an incredible shoot tomorrow. Stick along. Alright guys, we just set up, got the 100 honker decoys from Bigfoot. They're looking good, and then we got out like 50 duck decoys in front of us. The ducks will be coming from behind me this way, and there's a pond there, and kind of a pond angle that way. So they can come over this hill, hopefully coming nice. The wind's kind of mismatchy this morning, so it's not really caused it. So we're just gonna hopefully just set out a U and just hopefully coming nice. The wind's just kind of switching a ton, so it's gonna be challenging, but there's just freaking a lot of ducks here yesterday, so it should be good.
Bows and eye blind for videoing. Another blinds. 80 decoys out. Should be a good shoot. There's like 6,000 ducks in here.
We have like 1,000 ducks headed towards us right now. We'll see what happens.
Oh, that was a good shot.
Oh, good job. Way to finish him off.
Good boy. Well, you got.
Well, these ones are looking good.
Whoa. Alright guys, so it's phenomenal morning. We've gotten about 15 ducks and 3 geese just came in. But they're kind of doing it well, kind of not. They're iffy about it. They're seeing us. They're flaring quite a bit. But the ones that don't circle come right in. Had a nice 25, 30 yard shot. They might be slowing down now, but it's been pretty good.
Slow.
What are you doing?
That'd be sweet if Creed got his own layout line.
That would be. Come on, Creed. Fetch. Come here. Let's go. Fetch. Fetch. Let's go. I drop. Okay. Come on. Good boy.
Alright guys, we just wrapped it up. That was a pretty good shoot. We shot a lot of ducks, a few hawkers, so it was awesome fun. And just cleaned up and threw my gun in the Bigfoot decoys. I made a gun carrying case. It's pretty sweet. It's nice and handy out in the field because sometimes it's kind of hard on them right around the trucks. I can just throw this thing on the ground and not worry about it. So nice to have this thing. And Bigfoot decoys helped us out a bunch today. We smoked some geese too, so for sure they did their job. Check them out. I put a link in our bio or something if you guys want. But they're great decoys, and love you guys. I went over and bought some from them. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. It was a great shoot. We ended up with 20 ducks and 2 geese. It was a good day of hunting, but they just didn't come in that great. We pulled off some ducks. They went, as soon as they circled, they kind of pull off, and they were kind of seeing us or kind of figured what's up with their spread, and they kind of found out after they took a few circles. But they just come off the pond and kind of come in low and swoop without circling. We shot them and they did really good. But as soon as they circled, it just kind of went downhill. So it was a great shoot. But you got anything else to say, Nate?
There's a lot more ducks around in the ponds, but they must be hitting another field and not coming to this, so we'll go find the other field.
Yeah. Make sure to check out those Bigfoot decoys. Helped us smack some birds today. They help us out a lot. There's only Canadian geese decoys we use because they work, so make sure to check those out.